The Pritikin Health and Weight Loss Program is the longest-running and most successful lifestyle program in the United States. Supported by decades of research and over 100 peer-reviewed studies, the Pritikin Program promotes significant and sustained weight loss, major improvements in blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood glucose, and a reduction in the risk factors for cancer, heart disease, and diabetes.
The first time I came here, it saved my life.
I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. I wanted to have my energy and my life back. I've lost 100 pounds.
Pritikin is a solution that works.
It's just changed my life.
The Pritikin Program's been around for about 40 years. I think what makes it so successful is that we are able to do all of the things that doctors will recommend but not actually show you how to do. I would say 85% will either end up leaving here off their blood pressure medications or at a significantly lower dose than when they came in.
Over 100,000 people have come to the Pritikin Longevity Center and Spa for its all-inclusive 1 to 2 week programs. Guests enjoy a comprehensive approach to health with customized exercise and nutrition plans, as well as personalized medical attention. Guests are treated to gourmet meals and snacks daily in our beautiful skylit restaurant. Our award-winning chefs not only prepare the meals, but they also teach our guests the skills to prepare these healthy dishes at home.
People who have participated in these classes, they walk away with a wow, I actually can do this. What you take in terms of food will determine the way you look, the way you feel, and indeed the way you function.
Pritikin's science-based approach includes a strong medical presence with board-certified physicians providing expert guidance and care.
Our number one priority here is the safety of our guests. So knowing your baseline and what your risk potential is allows for our exercise staff and our physicians to work together to design what's called an exercise prescription. We teach people what they need to do to be healthy.
The exercise program at Pritikin focuses on cardiovascular health, strength training, and flexibility. Our exercise physiologists accommodate any level of fitness with a variety of activities and individualized attention.
Well, the individual attention starts at the very beginning. We make sure that when you're training here, you're not doing just what everyone else is doing, but something that's specific to you. There's an educational component and there's a practical component. They learn in the classes, they do in the class, and as they do, they actually physically see the changes occur. And by the time they leave here, they're going to know what to do and what not to do.
Pritikin's classes are taught by educators with years of experience helping people live happier, healthy lives. They help our guests learn the principles of the Pritikin Program and also include lively, real-world courses in dining out, food shopping, and cooking.
There's nothing like being here and having this experience where you come in and truly a transformation is presented to you. You live it, you learn it, and then you can adapt it.
Our guests stay in newly renovated rooms and suites in a luxurious resort setting. The resort also features swimming pools, tennis courts, and championship golf courses.
The amenities and services here are the best because the people who work here genuinely care about the happiness and well-being of our guests. Our guests leave Pritikin feeling satisfied that they've made the first step towards changing their life for the better.
Pritikin's full-length, all-inclusive program is the most popular and runs all year round. We also offer specialty programs and corporate retreats. The award-winning Pritikin Longevity Center is the ultimate spa health vacation. Get ready to look better, and best of all, feel better. Contact us today to book your stay.